So I'm going to be showing you my slime. It's not really good. It's like mashed potato-ish. And it don't crunch. Listen to this.
Hey, deleting.
Oh my god, it sounds like mashed potatoes.
So how about the
Sorry
dude
guys,
that shot go over
I'm right here. Hey guys, he's my friend,
ran up
sort
to
of.
him and
We're
punched him in his face. And he got a
we're
red-
cousins.
A red headshot marker.
Half cousins, I come here.
Yeah.
If y'all hear people talking in the background, they're trying to play. It's my brother and his friend. Yeah, they're It's actually my brother and my stepbrother.
Yeah, I punched the dude in the face and he got a red
We're at
headshot.
my house.
Her house.
Our house.
Our house, yeah. Our house. We get mixed up.
Look how stretchy this is, guys.
It goes behind it goes like behind the camera and stuff, but sometimes when you stretch it fast, it rips. So it's like store-bought slime, but worse. Earlier it was super sticky.
Play-Doh, Play-Doh, Play-Doh.
My turn. Is it my turn?
So, my friend's gonna show her, her slime while I fix my slime.
Okay. So hey guys, I'm gonna show you my slime. My slime is super glittery and glistening, and it's great. It does poke really good. It does make bubbles really good.
Yeah, that works.
It does crack
Actually, it-
very good.
You still have
Here.
it? No, they're not my kids. They're my friend of mine's kids, actually. No, I'm at my house. Friends just visiting in Chicago with her. Yeah. Well, actually, it's not really my friend. I mean, she's not really my friend. She's my friend. But she's cool with me.
So yeah, I just did a slime swirl. If you're wondering what I was doing, here's Brianna. If you're wondering what she's doing.
I'm trying to fix my slime, guys.
Yeah, she's trying to fix her slime. It was super sticky.
No, it wasn't sticky.
It wasn't super sticky. She just wanted to like be.
Make it stretchy,
Yeah, make it
pokey, and
stretchy.
crunchy.
And she put some shaving cream in it.
Yeah.
Here's the shaving cream.
And lotion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lotion.
I agree.
Okay.
And if you're wondering what I put in it to make it like this, so it's a little bit stretchy.
Just out of curiosity, how old
And
are you?
If
Should
you
we go somewhere else quiet, like in the kitchen or something?
You sound younger. No offense. You sound like you're like about 15,
Slime
16.
collection?
yeah,
Okay.
only the two slimes.
Okay.
So
guys,
we were
bye.
just talking about
Our next video,
which would
Ideas.
be a
slime collection.
sniping collection.
Oh yeah,
Slime collection.
a slime collection. So yeah, whenever we make that video, y'all should go check it out and subscribe to her channel.
Mine just pooted. Look, watch. So bye guys.
Bye guys.